Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This explanation will help you understand a good answer for CELPIP Writing Task 1. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full model answer. This email effectively addresses all parts of the task. First, it clearly provides information about skills and interests, mentioning strong communication skills, and being an enthusiastic learner. Second, it explains why the writer wants to volunteer, stating, "I believe in the importance of community support." Finally, it asks about the next steps to become a volunteer by inquiring, "Could you please tell me about the next steps?" The email is well organized, with a clear greeting, distinct paragraphs for each main point, and a polite closing. The tone is formal and respectful, which is appropriate for an inquiry email to an organization. Notice how simple linking words like firstly, also, and because connect ideas smoothly, making the email easy to follow. We also included two slightly more advanced words, enthusiastic and contribution. These words are B2 level, but fit naturally and clearly in the text. For beginners, a helpful tip is to always reread your email. Check that you have answered every part of the prompt. This will help you ensure your message is complete and clear. This explanation will help you understand why this model answer for CELPIP Writing Task 2 scores well. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full answer. This email effectively addresses all parts of the task. The answer clearly states its choice to learn in a group setting. It provides several strong reasons for this preference. For example, the writer mentions that learning with an instructor helps me understand difficult ideas easily, and that working with other students is very helpful. The answer then expands on these points, explaining how group learning provides motivation and opportunities for practice. The answer is very well organized. It starts by clearly stating the preferred option. Then it uses 2 distinct paragraphs to present the main reasons and examples. The conclusion summarizes the main points effectively. The tone is semi-formal and polite, which is suitable for a survey response where you are asked to explain your opinion. Notice the use of simple linking words, such as firstly, also, for example, and moreover. These words help connect ideas smoothly, making the text easy to follow. 2 good stretch words used here are committed and effective. These words show a slightly wider vocabulary without being too complex for the target level. For your own writing, always aim to provide clear reasons and specific examples to support your choice. This will make your argument stronger and more convincing. This explanation will help you understand why this model answer for CELPIP Writing Task 2 is effective. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the complete answer. This answer clearly explains the choice to learn independently at home. The writer gives strong reasons for this preference. For instance, it highlights complete flexibility with my schedule and the ability to learn at my own pace. The response then gives specific examples, mentioning the availability of many excellent online resources and the benefit of fewer distractions for better focus. The organization of this answer is very clear and logical. It begins by stating the chosen option. The body paragraphs then develop the main reasons with supporting details and examples. A brief conclusion summarizes the key points. The tone is appropriate for a survey response, being semi-formal and direct, clearly explaining a personal preference. Simple linking words are used effectively to connect sentences and paragraphs. Examples include firstly, also, for instance, and furthermore. These simple connectors help the reader follow the flow of ideas. The answer also includes useful stretch words like efficient and concentration, which demonstrate a broader vocabulary while remaining understandable for beginners. When you write, try to use transition words to move from one idea to the next. This makes your writing coherent and easy for the reader to understand.